On this episode, I'm going to show you how I created this textural variety pendant. I conditioned and rolled out a 1-inch sheet of teal pearl clay. I textured it with the wood grain texture sheet. I conditioned and rolled out a 1-ounce sheet of tranquility clay. I textured it with the scale texture sheet. I conditioned and rolled out a 1-ounce sheet of blue clay. I textured it with the Shapes clay squisher. I conditioned and rolled out a 1-ounce sheet of sky blue clay. I didn't texture this sheet. I conditioned and rolled out a 1-ounce sheet of gold clay. I randomly textured it with one of my dual end detail tools. For the base, I conditioned and rolled out a 2-ounce sheet of white clay. Now it's time to start constructing our slab. I cut small slivers of each color and placed them on the white sheet. If you want a more interesting finished piece, cut the slivers unevenly or at angles. Be careful to place each sliver with the textured side facing up to get the most dramatic look. I cut 2 rectangles from the slab. I also cut several teardrops from the remaining sheet using plastic wrap to get rounded edges. I used one of the hole cutters to cut holes in each of the medium and large teardrops. I placed all of my pieces on a baking clay and baked them for 15 minutes at 275 degrees. Once cooled, I adhered a gold bale to one of the rectangles with power tack. These are the teardrops that I sanded and buffed.